Sir, your video is on.
It's on. Okay, check it once again. You check it once again.
Sir, I am not able to see you. Sir, it is not on.
Okay, try to do one thing. Log in again. Log out and log in again. Okay. Till then, we will be discussing only this question. Okay. So see here, insist first one. Okay. This is the first term, second term. What you can see, the whole expression is common. 5a plus 6b, 5a plus 6b is common. So we take it out. So 5a plus 6b. We took out. Okay, now what is remaining inside? A minus b. Okay, A minus b. This is one way to do. Or what you can do? This we have taken out. So inside we'll divide both the terms by 5a plus 6b. Okay, minus b, 5a plus 6b, 5a plus 6b. Okay, now you can see they get cancelled. Okay, 5a plus 6b. We have multiplied the whole expression by 5a plus 6b and divided it. So what is remaining now? 5a plus 6b into a minus b. Okay, directly as well you can write 5a minus 5a plus 6b. We have taken common out. What is remaining? A minus b. Similarly, in second part,
Sir,
yes,
sir, what homework have you given yesterday?
first and second question. Fourth way.
Sir, second and fourth.
Yes. Now you can try this second. Second C here. Okay, second.
Sir, fourth B second.
Fourth B second we'll discuss. One more question I'm taking. 4x minus 2y minus 2y x minus 3y it is. 3y. Okay. Here as well what you can say. 2 is common. X minus 3y is common. So first I'm taking only x minus 3y common. 4 minus 2y will remain. Now see here, in these two, 2 is common. We can take 2 common out. 3 minus into 2 into 2 minus y. Or we can write 2 x minus 3y, 2 minus y. This is clear? Seventh, there are 3 terms. In all them, like first, x minus y is common, remaining a plus a minus b plus c. Okay, try seventh. If you are not getting, ask me tomorrow again. Here we are taking the whole expression as common. Okay, now fourth B. Fourth B, which question? First question, any
Sir?
part? Yes.
Sir, I am having doubt in fourth B, third, second.
Third, second. Okay, that we'll discuss today. Okay, first question. First question, anyone have doubt in first question? Any part?
Sir, first, third.
First, third. Okay.
Sir, which exercise first question? Fourth A or fourth B?
Fourth B exercise. Okay. Fourth B exercise, first question. First question, third part, 1 plus x minus x minus y minus xy. Y minus xy. Okay, just look at the expression first. You can see here 1 plus x. 1 plus x we can see. Here see here, if we take y common in these two terms. In these two terms, if we take y common, what will remain? I write it again, x plus x, 1 plus x minus y, I am taking the common out. So what is remaining inside? 1. And what? Here, plus sign will be there. 1 plus x. Okay. Now you can see 1 plus x, 1 plus x. So I put it in bracket. Have you understood? From these two, I'm taking y out. So what is remaining inside? 1 plus x. Now if I open the bracket, you can check as well. Backward you can check. Minus y we are getting. Minus y into plus x minus xy. So we have written it correctly. We can check it backward as well. Okay. And 1 plus x we have. So I put this in bracket. Now what we can take common out? 1 plus x. Okay. 1 plus x. I am taking common out. Now what is remaining here? 1 minus y. Because 1 plus x I am taking common out. So what will remain in its place? 1. 1 plus x into 1. So 1 plus x out. 1 is here. 1 minus y. Is this clear now? In this question? It is very important question. Any doubt here?
No,
Sir,
sir.
1 plus x is there. Sir, how is it 1 plus x?
Which one? This 1 plus x how?
Sir, that y into 1 plus x.
Okay, that one how? Okay. We have minus y minus xy. Okay. Now, if what I am taking common out? Minus y. So what will remain inside? 1 minus y is out. 1 will be here and plus x. Okay.
Sir, here
Now
sir,
if you
it will not minus x, sir. It will be sir minus x, 1 minus x.
okay, see here what I'm taking common out. Minus y I'm taking common out. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay. What I'll do, the whole expression, okay, minus y I took out. Now, inside I have this one. I divide both by minus y minus y. Is this clear? I have multiplied the whole expression by minus y. Also divided by minus y. So, minus y here will be 1 minus minus plus x. Or wait a second, we can do it. Okay. We have minus y minus xy. Okay. Now I multiply and divide the whole expression by minus y. What is common? Minus y is common. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now minus y I am taking inside. Minus y outside. Minus y minus xy. Whole divided by minus y. Minus y. Now I am divide separately. Minus y divided by minus y minus xy divided by minus y. Minus y. Here what is there? 1 plus x. Okay. Now see here. If I open the bracket, what I'll get? Minus y into 1 minus y. Minus y into x minus xy. I'm getting the same thing. So minus y minus xy. What is common here? Y minus y is common. Minus y you take it out. So what will remain here? 1. 1 into minus y minus y. And here minus I already taken out. So here will be plus y already out x.
X.
Now if I multiply minus y into 1 minus y. Minus y into x minus xy. I'm getting again the same thing. Now you understood why plus is there? Because minus we have taken out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever such questions come, always pay attention to this one, plus and minus. Please take extra care while dealing with them. You can post check as well. Backward you check. You have put in bracket, now check once. If I open the bracket, what will come? Minus y minus y. Minus y into x minus xy. That means here plus will be there. I have put correct sign. If I put minus here, what will happen? Minus y into 1 minus y. That is correct. Minus y into minus x plus xy. That means my sign is wrong here. Understood now?
Sir, can you please tell what you are teaching, sir? I just joined now.
Okay, you can check the video afterwards, okay? If you have doubt, tomorrow you join at 8:55 on Monday and ask, okay?
Sir, recording.
Recording is there, okay? So just for a brief, I can tell you, see here, what is common here? 1 plus x. Now what is common here? Minus y. We took minus y outside. So what will remain inside 1? Here, plus x. Are you aware of this one? So minus y we have taken out. So 1 will remain here, here plus x. Now 1 plus x, 1 plus x. We can take common out 1 plus x. So what will be here? 1 minus y. What will remain? Y. Okay. So any more doubts in first question? Any more doubts
Sir,
in
can
first
you
question?
explain fourth question in fourth?
First, fourth. AB plus 5A. Okay. AB plus 5A. The one student who has joined recently, is this clear? Minus B minus 5. Is it clear to you? The student who has just joined? AB plus 5A minus B minus 5. Okay. Now, how we can do this one?
B is common and 5A is common. 5 is
Okay. Okay, we can take any way we can do. Okay. So see here, okay, there are two ways students can do. Okay, you can do or we can do. Okay. So AB plus 5A minus B minus 5. Okay. Now see here, first I'm doing no rearranging. Okay. I'm not rearranging. First these two terms, then these two terms. Okay. So what is common here? Because they are as well having common, they are as well having common. So what I take outside? A. Here will be B plus 5. Yes or no? First two terms, if I take A out, B plus 5, and here minus 1 I am taking out. It means here will be B plus 5. Is this clear? If you have doubt, ask immediately. At any step you have doubt, ask immediately. Okay? Don't ask afterwards. Explain again.
Sir,
Okay? Yes?
sir, in that how B plus 5 again came minus.
Minus 1 we are taking outside. So minus sign we are taking outside both. Now, so now you see here. Minus, if you open the bracket, what will come? Minus B minus 5. Yes or no? A plus 1. Minus is outside. If this minus is for both, if you open the bracket, minus A minus 1. A minus 1. Minus outside, then minus A minus minus plus 1. Okay. Is this clear? So see here we are having minus B minus 5. What we are having? Minus B minus 5. Now I am taking minus outside. So what will remain? B plus 5. If I again open the bracket, minus B minus plus minus 5. Have you understood this one? Okay. So B plus 5 is common. B plus 5. What will remain inside bracket? After taking B plus 5, A minus
B.
A minus 1. Okay.
1.
Okay. Yes.
Third, second.
Wait a minute. Okay. This is one way. Second way, how you can do? You can take these two.
yes, yes.
So again rearranging AB minus B plus 5A minus 5. What common I will take? B,
B.
A minus 1. Here 5, A minus 1. Okay. Now A minus 1 outside we can take. b plus 5. We are getting the same answer. Okay. Have you understood now? Either you can go this way or you can make grouping. You can make grouping of first two. Here, first and third, we can make grouping, and second and fourth. This is clear? Both ways we can do. Yes, first question, any more doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so all have understood.
Sir,
The two methods.
third.
And you have told that any methods we can use.
Yes, anyone you can use. See here grouping is there. So we have in common in first and second term as well. First and third term as well, we have common. So we can go for any grouping. Because here first and second term also have common. First and third will also have common. Second and fourth also have common. Okay. So we can go for any grouping. Okay.
Sir, third the
Yes, third.
second third sign is not
Second.
coming correct.
Okay, we'll see that. Yes. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2. First one, any doubt?
No, sir.
Second one.
Sir, I have
Third.
doubt. Sir, first. Question number first.
Question second, first one. A square minus 4ax plus ab minus 4bx. This video, sir. Okay. Okay. Now here, how grouping we can do? First and second, can we do grouping? Second and fourth, we can do grouping. Or do it yourself. Okay. Here as well, we can do two ways grouping. First and second, if we do A common out. Here, B common out. Okay.
Sir,
or yes.
Sir, here is a square, sir. Then a square and a, how they are common?
Okay. A square means what? A into A minus 4ax. Yes or no? So one A we can take common out. A will remain. A into A square is what? A cube. A into A is what? A square. So why can't we take common out A? Yes or no? Okay, just tell me one thing. 25 minus 5. Can we take common out 5? 5a. Okay, 5 out. 5 minus a. It will be the answer. Or if I write it like this, 5 square minus 5a. Then this is 5 square is 25 only. We can take 1 5 outside. 5 outside, what will remain? 5 minus a. Have you understood this one? Okay. Or you can do grouping like this as well. A square and ab. This one as well can we do? Okay. So we start with this one. So first and second term. What is common? A is common. So what is remaining? A minus 4x. What is common here? B plus B. A minus 4x. Okay. Now see your first term, second. The whole expression A minus 4x is common. So we can take out A minus 4x. A minus 4x we have taken out. What is remaining? A plus B. Have you understood this one? Anyone have doubt? Any further common? No common. So we stop here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or if we
Can you
rearrange,
explain
like,
again? Sir, can you explain again, please?
okay, see here, A square minus 4x. Okay, I'm not explaining, just tell me what is common here. If I am
A.
grouping first and second, third and fourth I'm grouping. So A is common, we took A out. A minus 4x will be there. Now from third and fourth term, B common I'm taking out. A minus 4x will remain. Okay. Now see here. This term and this term. What is common? A minus 4x. A minus 4x is common. So we can take the whole expression out. A minus 4x. And what will remain? A plus B. Yes or no? To check as well, you can do whole expression multiply with A once. You get this one. Whole expression multiply with B. You get this expression. Okay. Or you can rearrange it. A square plus AB minus 4AX minus 4BX. We can write like this. Now, first and second, these terms. A is common, A plus B. Minus 4x is common. What will remain inside? A plus B. Minus 4x is common, A plus B. Now, what is common? A plus B is common. A plus B, A minus 4x. Both are same answers we are getting.
Can you tell exercise 4th A, 7th, 4th?
4th A, 7th, 4th. Okay, just a minute after or at 9:30 we'll discuss that one, okay? Is this clear? If you understood this one, you can do 7th, 4th as well. What will be common in that?
Second, third.
Okay, 1 minute. So 4th is 7th, 4th question. See here, first term, second term, third term. What is common? X square plus y square plus z square. That is common. Take that out from all the three terms. And what will remain inside? 6ab plus 8cd minus 9bc. Okay. At 9:30 we'll discuss that one. Okay. Second question. Any more doubts?
Sir, second, third.
Sir,
Second,
explain
Second. Sir,
Second,
second.
third. Second,
Sir,
second, third.
Sir, second.
Second, third, all we have to do. Okay, minus bx plus ab. Okay. So first and second we do, second and third. Okay. So what will be the common in first and second? What common you can see? X square here, x. X common.
X. Minus B.
Minus b you take out. What will remain? X minus a. Now you can do further. What will be the answer? X minus
X
a
minus
out.
minus
X
X minus
minus
A.
a. Okay. Or you can do it first and third, second and fourth as well. Both same answer will get. Because they are as well having common. This is clear? Third one. Ax minus x square minus bx plus ab. Okay. Again we can do. Okay.
X common.
So first and second. Okay. X common. A minus x.
X.
Here minus b common. Then
X minus A.
X minus A.
x minus a. Okay. Now see here what we require. A minus x. Okay. So what we can do? X, a minus x. If I make it plus, they will change. If I multiply this whole by minus 1 and divide as well by minus 1. Plus b, a minus x.
Not understand.
Okay.
Not understood.
Okay. Okay. I tell you first one. Okay. Okay. If I take only b out, plus b, What will remain inside bracket? Minus x
Minus
and
Minus A.
here plus a. Okay, leave it. We do some other question first. Okay, if the question is like this, minus of a minus x. Okay, minus of a minus x. Can I write it like this? Okay, now I multiply. Minus 1 is there into minus 1. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, if I take minus inside, what will happen? Only minus sign I am taking inside. So plus will be here. Here minus a plus x. Have you understood this one?
yes, sir.
Minus sign I am taking inside. Minus a. So x minus a. Whether it is a minus b or minus b plus a, they are same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I write like this, minus b x minus a. Okay. Now, if I take minus sign inside, what will happen? Here will be plus b, minus sign I am taking inside. Minus x, minus minus, plus a. Plus b, a minus x, can I write? Have you understood this one? We are getting minus b common. Okay. X minus a. Now, minus sign I am taking inside the bracket. So here will be plus b and minus x minus minus plus a. So plus b, a minus x. Is this clear now? I haven't understood.
Sir, understood.
Sir, understood.
Okay.
Understood.
Sir, in this question, I took ax plus ab common and minus x square minus bx common and answer
That also
correct.
we can do. Yes, that also you can do. Okay. Now see here, what I have taken common out. Okay. What we have written earlier. Okay. Minus b if I have taken common out. Okay. So it will be x minus a. Now see they are just difference of minus sign. So now minus sign I am taking inside. So plus b minus x plus a. Okay. X a minus x. Please mute yourself.
Sir, someone
Okay. Now see here plus b and minus x plus a. We can write a minus x. Now we can take common out a minus x. It will be x plus b. Okay. Understood now?
yes, sir.
Okay. Or you can make grouping, different
Sir?
grouping as well.
Sir?
First and last, second and third as well you can make. Yes.
Sir, why we put minus sign inside the bracket?
Okay. See here, if I am not putting minus sign inside, what we are getting here? A minus x we are getting. Here x minus a. Okay. A minus x, x minus a. Here as well we should have a minus x. Okay. So we took minus sign inside. Minus x plus a minus x. Now we can take common out, a minus x. Understood? Same number. There is a difference of only minus sign. So minus sign we took inside. Okay. Or you can solve it ax plus ab, ax plus ab, minus x square minus x. That way also as well you can solve. Okay. Here a will be common. Here minus x will be common. That way also you can solve. Have you understood this one? Because you will encounter many times this problem. That is here a minus x, here x minus a. Only minus sign is we require more. So minus we took inside. Clear this time?
Sir, which chapters will come in this November test after Diwali?
So whatever we studied, that all will be coming. Whatever we have studied, or what we are going to study, till that portion will be there. Okay.
Sir, how you will take oral test?
Okay, that leaves to me. Okay, I'll tell you soon about that. The one thing you must know, you will be
Sir, all the chapters will come.
all the chapters what we have studied till now. Okay, after first term, whatever we have studied, cubes and cube roots, then simple interest, compound interest, and factorization we have studied that all. And if we study more will be there. Okay. Okay. Now for second question, any more doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Third question. First part, have you completed?
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
keep
sir.
doing now.
Third, second.
Okay, by Monday, try to complete the exercise. If you have
Yes,
doubts,
sir,
we'll discuss
completed.
that. Okay, third, first. M square, n square. M square, n square. Plus m square, plus n square, plus 1. This is very easy question. You can see here as well. See here. If I take m square out from first and second, n square plus 1 will be there. N square plus 1 is there. So if I take m square common out, n square plus 1 plus n square plus 1. Now I can put it in bracket. Plus sign is there, so therefore no change of sign inside the bracket. Plus sign is there, so no need of changing any sign. This is clear. Now what we can take common out? N square plus 1. What will remain? M square only or something more?
M square plus 1.
Plus 1. It
Sir,
was
1.
from here, m square, now here 1. Okay. Now if we open the bracket again, what will come? N square plus 1 into m square. N square plus 1 into 1. This one. Understood? You can check it backward as well. Okay?
Sir, could you
Whether
explain
will
third?
Third. Okay. Minus x square y. Minus x plus 3xy plus 3. Okay. Take common, see here all the plus sign. So minus sign also we take outside. So what will be common? Minus, what are common in first and second term? What is common?
Sir, we can take first and fourth.
First and fourth. Why are you taking first and fourth? There is no common in them. No common in them. First and fourth. First and third you can take this common. But first and fourth, no common is there. There will be no use. Is there any common in first and fourth? No common, except one.
But sir, in second and third there is common.
Second and third is common, but third and fourth no common there. Okay, so we don't go for that combination. Now see here, if we take first and third, okay, and second and fourth, even though there is nothing common, but still they are singular. X is there only x. Here 3, and here xy will take common out, then x plus 3 will be there. Minus x plus 3 will be there. That we can go for. First and fourth, this is complex, already complex, and this is very simple number. Simple, so we should not go for that. Okay, so first and second I'm taking first. So what will be common? Minus x.
Minus x.
Okay, what will remain inside?
XY equal.
Here it is x
Sir,
square y.
XY.
So xy. Now plus 1. Okay, and here what is common? 3xy plus 3. 3 common.
3.
Okay, xy plus 1. Now xy plus 1. What will be here? Minus x plus 3. Or we can write it like this, xy plus 1, 3 minus x. Both are right? Both are same thing? Or you can take
Sir,
first and third.
second part.
Yes. Second part. What second
Sir.
part?
Sir, can you explain second question?
Third, second. First we explained, third already done. Second. Okay.
Fourth and fifth remain.
Okay, second is very easy. 5, we take common out. 5xy square minus 5y square minus 3a plus 3ax. Okay, so what will take common out here? First and second, third and fourth. What will take common out? 5y square.
Y square.
Okay, what will remain inside? X.
X
Or
minus
here, x minus 1. And now here what we can take common out? 3a minus 3a. 1 minus
1.
Okay. Now see here again, x minus 1, 1 minus x. That means either we take plus 3 outside, then it will come minus 1 plus x. Okay. Or else we weren't able to see that one. We weren't able to figure out that one. So now what we'll do? Here x minus 1, here 1 minus x. We'll take minus sign inside. Okay. So 5y square x minus 1 plus 3a minus 1 plus x. Now again write it, x minus 1 plus 3a, x minus 1. Can we do like this? Understood this one? If we are not able to
Yes,
figure
sir.
it out here, it's okay. What we'll do, here x minus 1, here 1 minus x. That means minus sign we must take inside the bracket. So here will plus sign plus 3a minus 1 plus x. Now again arrange them, x minus 1. Now x minus 1 we can take out. X minus 1 out, what is remaining?
Sir, can we
5.
exit?
The time over.
Time over.
Sir, please tell 7 4th.
7th, 4th. Okay. Those who are completed, they can exit. 7th, 4th, I'll be telling. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay. Try to complete the
Bye.
exercise. Any
Thank you,
doubts you
sir.
have? We'll discuss on Monday. Thank you. So 7th, 4th. Seventh, 4th, see here
Thank you,
it is. Okay.
sir.
Yes, you can leave. 6ab into x square plus z square plus 8cd x square plus y square plus z square minus 9bc again x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now you can see here, this is our first term, second term, third term. What is common in all these three terms? X square plus y square plus z. This is common. We can take it out. So x square plus z square we took out. So what is remaining? 6ab plus 8cd minus 9bc. Okay, this is remaining. Now check. Any common is there more? 6, 8, 9. No common. A, B, C, D, B, C. No common here. So we'll leave here. Okay. Understood now?
Sir, this is answer only.
Yeah, this is answer only. See here. What is common? X square plus y square, z is common in them.
We have to multiply each by x square, y square, z square.
What x square, y square is? No. This is common in all these three terms. So we took out.
I done already.
Yes, that's only. Now see here. Is there any common in between them? 6, 8, 9. No common. So we can't take any constant down. A, B, C, D, B, C. No common. So we have to stop here. So this is understood.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. So try to complete the exercise 4B. Okay, 4C is not in syllabus, only 4B.